Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my reading room. I'm Ayush. Today I'm going to read the story The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. If you have a copy, go ahead and read along with me. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. There once lived a dear little mouse in the country. He didn't have many friends, so he thought to invite his cousin from town and wrote him a letter. Soon the town mouse came, looking fine and dandy, but he didn't like the countryside at all. "What a terribly poor place to live in, cousin dear," he said. "You must come to town with me at once." "But this is my home," said the country mouse. "Will your town have this pretty blue sky, these lovely flowers and fresh air?" he asked. "Oh, you'll see. We have such splendid things in the town," replied the town mouse. The town mouse and country mouse soon reached the town. "Ah!" exclaimed the country mouse, looking with wonder at the beautiful houses. "Come along, dear cousin. There is so much more to see," said the town mouse and led the country mouse to his own house. The town mouse lived in the pantry of a huge mansion, and it was loaded with all kinds of delicious food. There was crisp roasted turkey, fruits, nuts, honey, and the yummiest cheese in the whole world. The country mouse couldn't believe his eyes. "It's been a long walk from the country, cousin. Sit down and enjoy at my lavish table," said the town mouse with great pride. The country mouse happily chomped away at a chunk of cheese, taking giant bites of honey dipped walnut alongside. But just then came a loud sound. Thud, thud, sweep, swoosh. It was the cook with his broom, and he was here to drive the mice away. The poor mice left the food right where it was and scrambled away into a hole in the wall. Later, when they tried to sneak in some food, a dog chased them back to their hole, barking loudly and really scaring the poor country mouse. "What is all this, dear cousin? Why are we being chased like this? Is this not your house? Is this not your food?" asked the country mouse. "Oh, come now. It doesn't matter if the house and food are not mine. Where else would you get such yummy food? Surely not in your countryside," replied the town mouse haughtily. "I would much rather eat berries and be safe in my simple home than eat all this rich food in a mansion where you live in hiding, always fearing for dear life." So saying, the country mouse left for the countryside. The country mouse was perfectly happy to be back in the peaceful country. "There is no place like home, sweet home," said he, and whistled a merry tune without a care in the world. The end. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe.